I am Traffic, Facebook Masters. This 5-module, over-the-shoulder training gives you everything you need to get profitable traffic with Facebook today. Module 1, Introduction to Paid Advertising. The 3 things you must understand before you ever spend a penny on paid advertising. Why targeted traffic is the key to your success, and why Facebook makes targeting easy for virtually any audience if you do things the right way. The formula for a winning ad, and the type of ad we found is the highest converting type of ad. The numbers you must look at with every promotion to ensure you don't lose money. How to turn a profit from an initial loss with Facebook ads, and why knowing this formula is crucial to your success with Facebook ads. Module 2, Facebook ads getting started. Facebook ad types and placements. The types of ads you can use on Facebook and which ones work the best depending upon your advertising goals. The 5 different types of ad placements and when you should be using them. The one ad placement that brings us over 45% of our sales and why you should be paying very close attention to this particular placement. The one ad placement you should never use. We've found this is the next best thing to burning money. It does not convert well. Live over-the-shoulder examples of Facebook ad placements. Facebook audiences. The audience size that works the best for your ads. Do this right, and you'll reduce your ad spend and make more profit from your ads. The power of the lookalike audiences and how to harness its power for detailed and profitable targeting. The one thing you must do easily track your ads for easy scaling later on. The various components that affect your audience size and how to create the perfect audience for your ads. Watch over my shoulder as I build the ideal audience for an ad. Facebook budget and scheduling. The exact daily budget I personally use for testing and the budget I recommend you start with if you're new to Facebook ads. Don't worry. You can start with just a few bucks. How to use ad scheduling to get the best results with your ads. Watch over my shoulder as I show you something really cool you can do with ad scheduling. The simple setting you should be using in your campaigns that we have found will lower your cost per click. CPC versus CPM, which is best, and the rule of thumb you should consider when setting up your budget. Watch over my shoulder as I show you everything related to budget and scheduling of your ads. Facebook tracking pixel and retargeting. The importance of the Facebook pixel and the web browser you must be using if you want to get the best results possible with Facebook ads. Watch over my shoulder as I show you exactly how to set up your Facebook pixel, modify the pixel, and test it to make sure it works 100% of the time. The 6 golden rules of Facebook retargeting. Follow these rules, and you'll get extremely low cost per click, better conversions, and the highest ROI possible. How to create a lookalike audience and use it to maximize your profits. Why retargeting is so powerful, and how you can use retargeting to reduce your ad spend and start making more money right away. Facebook ads reporting. The right place to check your ad statistics. If you do this wrong, and it's easy to do, you will be missing out on a lot of valuable data that you need. Why Facebook's default reporting has a lot to be desired, and how to properly customize your reports for the best results possible. Facebook reporting can be a bit daunting if you're new. I'll break down every part of the Facebook ads reporting and explain what everything means. Red flags in your reporting that will show you when you need to change or completely kill an ad. The numbers you should be looking for to validate the success of an ad and how to use the data to improve your campaigns. Module 3, Facebook Power Editor. What the Power Editor is, why you should be using it for your ads, and the 2 things you must do with the Power Editor to get the best results possible. The exact steps you need to take to set up your first campaign in the Power Editor from start to finish. Watch over my shoulder. How to use the Facebook Insights tool to get better targeting and maximize your ROI. The biggest mistake I see with most people's Facebook ad campaigns and how you can avoid this big targeting mistake that can cost you thousands of dollars. How to use the Power Editor to create more ads faster. This makes it easy to test variations of ads and quickly find the big winners that can be the difference between a successful campaign and one that flops. Module 4: Profit Building with Facebook. List building profits. The exact method I personally use to profit from affiliate marketing launches while I build my list at the same time. An overview of the funnel I use, including the affiliate product, the ad copy, and the squeeze page used. How you can use this formula to make money on a daily basis while you build your list full of high-quality subscribers. You're basically getting paid to build your list with this method. Branding profits. I watch over my shoulder as I show you how to build a successful fan page from start to finish and show you how to get up and running in minutes. 2 places to get high-quality free photos for your Facebook marketing that make your brand really stand out and look professional. This is key when you're making your first impression. An overview of my exact branding approach from first impressions to becoming a subscriber customer. Upsell profits. How I target our current customers and promote other products and upsells to them using Facebook ads. This simple method alone generates targeted traffic that converts like crazy for pennies. The best types of ads to use when retargeting your existing customers to get the best ROIs possible. You'll also see the exact ad copy I use. If you do events or webinars, you'll see the simple method I personally use to make sure people actually show up. Your ad spend for this method is low, but can quickly add hundreds or thousands of dollars to your bottom line. Module 5: Insights and Audiences Advanced Training. How to use the Facebook Insights tool to come up with additional interests and increase your audiences to broaden the scope of your advertising. How to legally steal the audience from existing fan pages using this simple step-by-step method. I watch over my shoulder as I show you how to use Facebook Insights and the Power Editor to expand my audience and come up with new interest ideas that aren't so obvious. When you know how to do this the right way, you can print your own money. No one takes the time to do this. Building a campaign using everything you've just discovered from your targeting research. How to easily clone your best campaigns and test ad variations quickly using the Power Editor. This little trick can easily save you countless hours of work on your Facebook campaign.